Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT connection lost or offline mode error. If the app suddenly goes offline or shows a connection lost message, here's how to get it back online quickly. Step number one is to check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works. And the next step is to close the ChatGPT app completely. Swipe it off from the bottom and then find ChatGPT and swipe it away from the screen. This will clear up any memories that it took. Now next step is to clear Safari cookies. Go to settings and then go to Safari. Next, what you're gonna do is scroll down and click on clear history and website data, and then click on clear history. This clears any stock login or network sessions that might be blocking the connection. Then next, you're gonna restart your iPhone to flush out any temporary system glitches, then reopen ChatGPT app. Now the last step will be to update the ChatGPT app through the App Store. Go ahead and open App Store, search for ChatGPT, and then see if there's an update button available. If there is, click on update. If there isn't, that means your ChatGPT app is already updated to the latest versions. Yeah, privacy tip: only use the official ChatGPT app or chatopen.ai. Avoid the third party app wrappers or modified apps. They often cause unstable connections. Quick fix: if it's still on offline, log in to chat.openai.com in Safari first to re-establish your sessions, then switch back to the app. If that does not work, delete and reinstall ChatGPT. Your chat history will return when you sign back in with the same account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy techniques.